Hey, hi. Once again, I'm back. And in this video, now we are going to understand, like, on the previous video, what we have seen, what could be my current income that we have seen in the last video. Now, in this video, we are going to understand, now what will be my future on a same note if I look out, uh, today, whatever my income and all I have already calculated, and on the same pace if I'm no gap, even though if I'm, let's say, working and getting the same amount of money or same income, it is coming in the flow, then what should be my total income, and based on that one, what will be my asset even when I'm, let's say, ending my career, right? So once again, welcome all you back, and my name is Kaushik Chatterjee. As you know, with my 16 years banking, insurance and IT industry experience, I'm just making this video. Hope it will help you out. So to understand this process, uh, I need to understand again, let's say if I take the same example, let's say today my age is around 40, right? On the last experience, last video, what you have seen, 25 you have started, then 40 I have taken. Now let's say today I'm 40, and on an average, if you look out, approx, let's say till 60, even most of the people will be working. So 60 minus 40, so how many years still pending? It will be around 20 years, right? So with this same help, we are going to understand now what will be my age of 60, what should be my total income, and based on that one, how much asset I need to create by that time. To understand this, I need to again calculate in a very simple manner. If you have understood the last calculation, you can understand this calculation very easily. So for that, what you need to do actually, just take a piece of paper, just take a pen, sit somewhere where no disturbance, because this is for your purpose, you need to do this, and this calculation will help you out, remaining whatever your career is spending. Even though, as I told you, the income can be based on your any profile. You might be a businessman, you might be a professional, you might be a salaried person, so whatever it is, right? So irrespective of your profile, you have to understand age of 60. If I take it even as a standard retirement age, even across globe, if I look out, what should be my income that time, and how much asset I should create by this time. So there is a clear understanding, and for that, you no need to take even anybody's help. If you watch this video, you will understand, how to do this even by 2 minutes, right? So I hope by this time you all got a piece of paper, and you have a pen ready with you. Correct. So my current income. So I know my current income, right? And I know my current age. I already told you, let's say 60 if I take a standard retirement age. So another 20 years, let's say probably I'll be working. So imagine, let's say somebody already 15, 20 years experience. They might be somewhere around 15, 20, 30, 40, 50, whatever bracket of income they are, irrespective of their profession, as I told you clearly. So first you put that one, right? So let's say I'm just taking an example, let's say for 20 lakhs. So first you put 20 lakhs. Then again multiply with 70%, as we have done in a previous time also. What is 70%? Again the 70% is same thing. Irrespective of my income, I have to spend on my basic expenses, which is all my food, cloth and my shelter. According to that, even all my utility cost. 60 to 70% is the basic cost. So either you can take 60, either you can take 70. So I'm just taking on a higher note, it is 70%. So it's a clear indication, like 30% I'm doing my saving, right? So with that indication, I'm just doing this calculation, because as I told you, 20 should be the minimum savings for each and every one, irrespective of again my income, irrespective of again my expense. So standard, I'm just taking 30% over here. Clear? So now my current income multiply with 70%. I hope already you know what is 70%. Still I'm explaining. Now again, let's say I don't know what will be the inflation even that time. Correct? So to understand the inflation, I'll tell you later, because We don't know, because what we have calculated now current, but what we are going to calculate now, it will be for the future. So how your future inflation, how to calculate that one, that will do it later. So let's take a simple example again as we have taken earlier. So 7% let's say is the inflation rate we are calculating over here. Definitely it will not be 7% when let's say after 15 years, 20 years when you are going to take the retirement. But just an example I just told you, because digit can be changed. You have to understand the concept, right? If concept is clear, the digit you can change it anytime. Only the result will be different. I mean the amount will be different. That is the only difference. Otherwise there is no other difference, right? So inflation, how to calculate, that will do it later. Now 7% again if I take, now today I am 40, so let's say another 20 years I am going to work in future, so multiply with 20. So current income, how much I have taken? 20 lakhs yearly, right? Then again you have to take your 70%, that is my basic, and now again you have to take it your even 7%, that is your current even inflation, multiply with your 20, multiply with your 20, which is your future even time, future years you are going to work. So now here this 20, what you need to do actually, you need to divide even now 12. Why? Because that is your monthly income. So roughly if I take even it will be around 1.5 lakhs, roughly, not even 1.5 lakhs, it will be around 1.66 somewhere. So let's say I'm just taking, let's say, average of 1,70,000. So 1,70,000 multiply with 70%, multiply with 7%, and multiply with 20. So what result I am going to get? That amount, again divide your 12 months, and that should be your total corpus irrespective of your income. On that time, even again the standard rate of interest, if you look up, because you have to calculate, because when you are taking let's say a retirement calculation, you have to prepare this income. Let's say if today is my current income is 20 lakhs, and let's say if it is coming 1,66,000 per month, that 1,66,000 will not be the same value of 1,66,000 after even 20 years. And even I will not have my regular income that time. So 1,66,000 I need to calculate. That's what I told you, 20 lakhs. Now you have to take now, divide by 12. Why? Because that is my monthly I need to take now. Earlier we have calculated the yearly, because that already I have done it. I have already earned it. Now what I'm going to earn, for that 20 lakhs you have to divide by 12. And this 1,66,000, whatever it is coming, again whatever multiplying you are doing, whatever result if it is coming, that should be my, divided by 12 months, that should be my income even that time. And that amount, whatever it is coming, I should have that much of corpus ready even that time. So I'm clear now. So what is my future even income, as well as what should be my future corpus? So both I am ready now. So earlier I was ready even what is my current income. In this video what I have seen, what will be my future income, and what will be my, with my income even what will be my future corpus. So now the next video what we are going to understand, we are going to understand now how the inflation is going to affect, what will be the rate of inflation even that time. So I need to understand that, because this calculation, that calculation, it will be entirely different. And again I need to understand why that corpus, as I mentioned, whatever result you are getting, probably 2 crores, 3 crores, 5 crores, whatever, result is different. You change the digit, result will be different. So I'm not worried about what result, what figure you are getting. I'm just telling how to calculate this. And if you know how to calculate this, you yourself can even indicates like, Kaushik, yes, you are on a right track, or you have to improve, or you are already down, how you need to scale. So this is the 3 parameters I need to check it out. And for this 2 calculations is enough to check my current income, and to understand my future corpus with my income, right? So next video we'll understand that another concept as I told you. So for that, now take care, and thanks for watching me, and have a great time. So we'll meet up next time.